What's going on, YouTube and vacuum fans? So today I got a new vacuum in, a cheaper one, but that's what people seem to like on this channel, so I cater to you all. We got a Bissell Cleanview Swivel Rewind Pet, model 2254. Just ordered it on Amazon. They actually have a deal going on right now, so go ahead and check them out if you want to get one. So this machine is very similar to the power lifter with some improvements, and it's actually almost identical to the power lifter swivel rewind pet that Walmart sells, other than the cyclone design. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So got the warranty card. You can just do the warranty online, not a big deal. Instruction manual. Yeah, turbo eraser tool. This thing is it's okay. It's not as good as the tangle free one that they sell, but you know, for a $100 vacuum, that's what you can get. Dusting brush. This one's pretty interesting. This is a combination, like dusting corner tool slash stairs, I guess, and it kind of pivots around. And something to hold the piece on. Got the handle. Extension piece. And then the main vacuum itself. Snap it upright. Let's go ahead and get this slapped together pretty quickly. It's got the standard hose that Bissell uses. I actually like their hoses better than most. Dyson's probably my favorite hose, but don't like Shark's new hose. I like the old one that they had on the original Apex. So that goes in here. This piece should snap in there. Let's get this handle on real quick. Handle should just snap in here somehow. Alright, handle's in. It's got a screw to screw it in. I will do that off camera. I won't bore you with all that. Hose attaches down here. So that's one improvement. Is the newer way you release the hose, instead of all the way down in the cleaner head, it's right here. I mean, the vacuum's together, so this is the dirt tank, quarter view underneath it. It's got this filter, the felt filter underneath. This filter design, pretty decent, keeps larger debris out of the post motor filter, which is down here. Let's see how I don't know how to access it. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm not going to bother. That seems like it's I'll have to figure it out off camera. So I'm going to get the rest of this together. I'm going to pull out the power lifter as well, and just compare the two, and then we will do a quick demo. Alright, so here we are, out with the old, in with the new. So the power lifter and the Cleanview are actually very similar. They both use triple action brush roll. They both have the same not so great filtration. It's not a sealed system, but if you're not an allergy sufferer or any type of conditions where dust bothers you, these vacuums are fine. These are pretty popular. This was pretty popular. Before I knew anything about vacuums, this is what I bought. And now this is what I have. And I've got, obviously, if you watch my channel, I have a bunch of other ones. So anyways, yeah, the dirt tank, this one, I don't like. It opens like this. It's a mess. And then this filter gets really dirty because it's down here on the bottom. And a lot of the fur gets sucked through the cyclone. It's not a good design. It's stuck down there. This one, This one actually has a suction indicator if you get a clog, so you know you have an issue or you need to clean your filters. And again, in this one, the filters are in the top. I like that design because gravity will pull stuff down, but it won't pull things up, obviously. And hopefully this has a more efficient cyclone design, how those are all holes and not slots. Hair won't go through those as easily. Again, the old Cleanview model was a lot like this one. It didn't have a swivel. You know, everything wasn't much different. The new Cleanview model, and if you go to Walmart, you'll see the new Powerlifter model. The new Powerlifter model is almost identical to this. The only exception is the Powerlifter at Walmart comes with a few extra attachments, and this little piece in the Cyclone is a slightly different design. Not a big deal though, they're both about the same price. And as far as tools, this is the same exact tool, just a different color. This has swivel steering, this one doesn't. They both have 5-level height adjustment. Same type of brush bar, it looks like. Similar type of belt. And on the back, they both have cord rewind, of course. This one goes here, this one goes here. The same type of extension tool. This one has a nice little flexible crevice tool that also, if you rotate this bottom piece, right here it says end. If you rotate it side, which means the suction comes through here. It's pretty cool. I've used it a couple of times. When you have a lot of different Bissell vacuums, you can use different attachments in different vacuums. They're interchangeable. This has, like I was showing you, this tool. This does come with this, but it can't be stored on board. So it sits in a box with a bunch of other stuff that can't be stored on board. So, you know, same way you turn them on and off. Button on the back, cord rewind, swivel steering. As you see, goes any which way. This does not have swivel steering, so you can't do that. But overall, I think if they're probably gonna, you know, I looked up the specs. They have the same power motor, so they probably have the same exact motor. This is probably gonna clean just as well as this. This will probably just do a good job at pulling the hair down and not getting it trapped in the filter. I still don't know where the post-motor filter is on this. Let's take a look again and see. Probably could just read the instructions, honestly. It's got to be in here somewhere. Alright, give me 1 minute. I'm going to look it up and I'll pull it out and see. Okay, so I was reading through, the instructions actually say this has a lifetime post-motor filter that you never need to change. Let me show you right here. Lifetime post-motor filter. So apparently you never have to change it, whatever. I'm not too worried about the filtration on these because I know it's not the best anyways. This has a post-motor filter that doesn't seal to the vacuum too well. That's the post-motor filter on this one. I've never changed that one either. It honestly doesn't look too bad, so I've just kept it as is. Anyways, next, if I can get that in, we'll do a little demonstration. And then after the demonstration, I'll upload a separate video showing its effectiveness on pet hair, because downstairs hasn't been vacuumed in a while. So stay tuned. So a quick little demonstration, and here we go. The swivel steering on this is actually really nice. It feels a lot lighter weight, easier to maneuver, obviously, than my old power lifter. Again, the new power lifter with the swivel is essentially the same machine. Some minor differences, but overall not too different. So here's the cord rewind. Unbunch the cord a little bit. All the way back in. Awesome. And just in that little spot. That's what we were able to collect in there. And this has obviously the easy empty where the bottom drops out. So hope you enjoyed that. If you're considering purchasing this, it's a decent vacuum. It's not the best vacuum, but for the money, if you just need something to cleanse your floors and you don't care too much about the filtration, most people don't. Before I got into vacuums, I didn't. I don't have issues with asthma or anything. It'll be a good vacuum, and I think it'll serve you well. These triple action brushes are, the white ones are longer and the shorter ones are stiffer to really deep clean carpets. So it has a deep cleaning ability, as you can see in other videos. Not mine, but other people's videos. So overall, I'm gonna be happy with it. You know, not a machine in my collection. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned for more vacuum videos.